Hi guys, I am so excited today. It's my first purchase from Jeffree Stark's Cosmetics, from his website. So I've got the box. I'm gonna turn it this way because my address is the other way. It has like these stars on the side and then it has my address, which I'm not showing. So I'm gonna be opening it up for you guys. I bought a palette. I think it's called, I don't know what it's called. What was it called? It's called Mini. I don't know if I'm saying this right. Mini Controversy Emerald Edition palette, and it has like 9 shades. I'm just hoping, I'm just wishing it's not like, broken inside, because that would suck. But I'm gonna be opening it up. Really packaged really well, and it actually came really fast. I'm pretty sure I got it like it came today, so I ordered it like Friday, so I was like, wow, that's fast. Oh, sorry. But yeah, so I was like, oh my god, it's coming today. What? So I am so excited to open it up. If I can get it off. It's like really, I don't think it's, sorry guys, like I always have a problem, especially on camera. I don't know, it seems like every time I'm on camera I can't open a package really well. I don't know, it's so, oh, I see now. I see where it is. Here it is. Okay, this is where it's packaged. Sorry guys. I honestly could just like take a break and then come back, which I'm gonna do right now. Okay, I'm back. So I got that part open. Of course, right when I get off camera, it goes really well. But so I'm just opening it up from the side. So it just has like that. It has Jeffree Star. I hope you can see my address. Comes like this. Comes with like a little packaging and cute wrapping paper. And this is just my address and my information. So I paid like $24.09 for this. It was on a good discount. And this really cool Jeffree Star like Velvet and Trapped. It must be his new collection. I'm not sure, but little picture and then of him. So wow, I love him so much. But yeah, I love the hair. I love the outfit. I love everything. So, and this is the Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star cosmetic collaboration. So it has the wrapping paper, which I'm actually going to take a picture right now because I want to put it on my Instagram. So give me a minute. Hi guys, I'm back. I actually opened it up. I was actually taking pictures and editing of the packaging, and then I actually opened it up, and I was like, oh my god, I'm still filming the video. So you might see it a little opened up, but it is a Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson. Dawson, yeah. Mini Contrast. I don't even know how to say that word. Palette, and I love the wrapping paper. Wow, that's amazing. I love it. And I'm gonna open it up. So just open it up. It's bubble wrap, which is really good. So we know that's really secured. It did really well. And I think I showed you. Oh, did I show you this? I showed you this already. I think I showed you this, but yeah. So, and then it's bubble wrapped. Really well. Oh my gosh. Oh, This is this is the outside of the packaging. I was like, whoa, that's cool feeling. This is a nice outside packaging. Like, it feels like very nice. So this is what the front is, and then we're gonna open it up. I'm so excited to see what the colors are. This was only like, it was on sale for $16, which is a pretty good deal. Oh my god, please don't break it. I'm like, if I break this, I'm gonna be really upset. I'm terrible at opening stuff. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Look at the reflection. Wow. This is what the front looks like. It's so pretty. Emerald. I love emerald. Oh my god. Wow. How pretty is this? Oh my god, look at that. Oops. Ah, got some on my fingers. Sorry guys, I already swatched it because it got on my fingers. But look at the green. Wow. Which is put it back. And the blues are really pretty. The purples are gonna be nice too. Wow, sorry about my my nails. But look at how pretty that is. If I can see it, you can see it more like this. The lighting's not that good right now, but wow. I love it. And look at how it's like imprinted with all the little symbols. Oh my god, I love this. I love it! Wow, I love this palette. Oh my god, I'm excited to use it and make some cool looks. Yeah, and I'm also waiting for something from Shein. Eyelash, like, 2 eyelash sets or something like that. So I'll definitely try to do unboxing from that, which might come next week. I'm not sure. But I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below your favorite makeup brands and any recommendations of makeup that I should try or find. And don't forget to follow my Instagram, which is beautyfashionista_lover_101. And TikTok is Cards by Liana Goldberg, which I'll not link down, but I'll put down the information down below in the bio. So I hope you like this video. Bye.